crafters, this is Amanda. I'm here with another video for you today. I just wanted to put together a really quick layout. I hadn't done a video on a layout before, and this is a quick and easy and simple one, so I thought it'd be fun to do. I used two of one of my favorite cartridges, the Nifty 50s, which is most of my main cuts, my cat, my little swirly background, the cool cat, and my little starbursts. And I used baby steps to cut out my one, and also used my gypsy and welded my one together to kind of go along with the cool cat. So let's get this page put together real quick so you can see how it all will turn out. I'm going to start with my little cat here. I just love this little cat, mainly because of the cat eyes and my picture of my daughter with her little cat eyes on. I thought would make such a cute pair. So I'm just going to glue down this nose, the eyes using my glue pen. I love this thing for small little pieces. You just can't get with the glue runner. I use this thing all the time. I'm almost ready for a new one. This one's about had it. Little pearl necklace. I just love this little kitty cat. It's so cute. And all the cuts on this cartridge are so real. I like it because they're real simple. There's not a whole lot of layering, and what layering there is, it's real simple. I'll put a little starburst right there. Okay, so there's my little kitty cat. Isn't she cute? Move her aside. Now I'm going to take my background piece and just some yellow ink and just ink up the edges a little bit. Just adds a little bit of dimension, a little bit of shading to a plain background. And I have to say, I'm an inkaholic. I love to ink everything. So there we go. That's all nice and inked. I'm gonna do the same thing with my little green piece here. There's that. Move this aside. I'm gonna glue my little starburst down. I'm just gonna off-center them a little bit. I just cut two out and they're just about the same size. There we go. Okay, we are ready to get this page rocking. Let's start with my base. I'm going to glue down my white piece here. Just get her nice and glued up. I'm going to put it on the side of the page like that. And then make sure I get this all lined up right. Oh, my little one's crying. Glue that on down. Oh, I wanted to do a little bit of stitching. Just freehand on there. Don't worry, Daddy's got her. She's okay. She's in that toddler stage and just wants to climb on everything. Okay. So glue down her pictures. And her pictures I cut at, they're just 4x4 matted pictures. And she got these cute little sunglasses at Sonic, and they're just so cute. Little cat eye glasses. And have the little ears. Put my little starburst right there. And glue down this other one. This would also be a really cute picture for a cat. If you are a cat lover and you have a cat, this would make a really cute picture of your kitty cat too. Go ahead and ink my green on this a little bit so it kind of matches the rest of the green. This Baby Steps cartridge, it just has some of the cutest font. It's just real kind of chubby and scrolly, kind of like the Opposites Attract, but just a little bit thicker. And I just love it. It's so cute. Glue my cool cat down. How cute is that? Now I thought I would do a little bit of doodling here and there. I'm a doodle fanatic. I just think it makes it look so much cuter with a little bit of doodling. How cute. And I have some white puffy paint, and I just thought I'd add that to the little kitty cat's necklace just to give it a little bit of puffy, pearly look. Or I mean, if you have some little pearls, you can do little pearls too. That would also be really cute. And there you go, a quick and simple little page. Now I'll probably alter it just a little bit, but you'll see pictures of it later all finished up. Thanks for visiting, hanging out with me, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.